Welcome to English Conversation Hub. Today's episode dives into a real and relatable topic, burnout at work. Join this conversation between two colleagues as they talk about stress, deadlines, and how to find balance. Stay till the end for practical tips and expressions you can use in your own English conversations.
You look really tired today. Everything okay? Yeah. Just one of those weeks. Back-to-back meetings, deadlines piling up, and barely any time to breathe. I hear you. I've been there. Feels like we're just moving from one task to another without a break. Exactly. And the worst part? Even when I finish everything, I still feel like I didn't do enough. That's burnout. Happens when you're constantly chasing tasks without taking a step back. Have you taken any time off recently? Not really. I kept thinking I'll take a break after this project, but there's always a next project. That's the trap. It never ends unless you put your foot down. I took 2 days off last month and it helped a lot. Just unplugged, didn't check emails, nothing. Honestly, that sounds amazing. I can't remember the last time I logged off completely. You should plan something, even a long weekend. Go somewhere, or just relax at home. Mental reset does wonders. You know what's weird? I feel guilty just thinking about taking time off. Like I'm slacking or letting the team down. Dude, you're not a robot. Taking care of yourself helps the team more in the long run. No one benefits from a burnt-out teammate. True. But the pressure is real. Especially when you see others pulling long hours. Yeah, but half the time, people are just pretending to be productive. Ever notice that? Yeah. People sitting at their desks looking intense, but they're actually scrolling through articles or checking their phones. Exactly. Being busy doesn't always mean being effective. I'd rather work smart and rest well than work non-stop and be exhausted. So what do you do to deal with burnout? A few things. I block time on my calendar for deep work, no meetings, no distractions. I also take real lunch breaks. Like, get out of the office or eat in peace. That's smart. I usually just eat at my desk and keep working. Try stepping away for 30 minutes. Even a walk around the block helps clear your head. Also, talk to your manager if things are piling up too much. I thought about that, but I didn't want to come off as complaining. It's not complaining. It's being honest. Most managers appreciate it when you flag things early instead of waiting until you hit a wall. Maybe you're right. I guess I need to start being more vocal about my limits. Absolutely. And set boundaries. If you're done for the day, log off. Don't keep checking emails at 9 p.m. Guilty as charged. I check emails right before bed and sometimes even wake up thinking about pending tasks. See? That's exactly what needs to stop. Your brain needs time to switch off. So how do you manage to switch off? I made a rule, no work stuff after 7 p.m. I shut down the laptop and do something relaxing. Watch a show, read, or just chill with my family. Sounds nice. I need to get better at that. Start small. Pick one day this week to log off early and don't feel guilty about it. Alright. I'll try. Maybe Friday. Perfect. And don't just sit at home overthinking. Do something fun. Go to a movie, meet friends, whatever makes you happy. Thanks, man. Honestly, just talking about it makes me feel a bit better already. Anytime. We all go through it. The important thing is to not ignore it. Burnout sneaks up when you least expect it. Yeah. I don't want to reach that point where I just completely shut down. Exactly. Better to take small breaks now than be forced to take a long one later due to burnout. Wise words. Thanks for the talk. I really needed this. No problem. We're in this together. Let's grab coffee later, on me. Deal. And this time, I'll take that break. Good. Start today. Even 15 minutes of fresh air can change your whole day.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.